I build my love like a castle in the sand. And when it comes down, it comes tumbling to the ground. When she speaks, it's a dangerous fantasy. Sets me free, where I wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be, wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be. And her hair blows like a lighter in the wind, and I lose my senses, baby. She gets under my skin when she speaks. She's all I'll ever need. She sets me free, oh, to where I wanna be, I wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be, I wanna be.
This is my Kauai crew.
Hey, tell them where we're at right now.
We are at
Kalipa Trail.
Kalipa Trail.
You look at me because I'm finishing the sentence.
Alright.
Put it on our tour guide.
The Kalalua Lookout, which is at mile 18 on
Keep
the
talking while I take the
actual
view.
highway. But yeah, right now this is
These are the clouds coming in.
You can see the ridge.
A total of 7 of us right now, but there's 6 of us.
You do the math.
So yeah.
Bo 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 bo. Layla. I kicked it.
Yeah, sometimes you just got to live on it. Watch me fall.
Sometimes you just gotta live on the edge.
I'll stay here all day if I could. But so far, this is the greenest island I've ever been to. And it rains like every half hour for like maybe like 10 minutes or so. An average between 2 to 10 minutes. And afterwards, it just stops and it's sunny again. So it's pretty cool in the sense it doesn't really ruin your day. And also it does get hot, so when it gets hot, it's a chance to cool down.
We're hiking on the way back up the trail. Still stunning. That's everyone at the top. This is us coming back the bottom. These are these stunning waterfalls. So what they told us on the helicopter ride was that because of the rain, there are certain waterfalls that come and go with the rain. So the drier the island is, the more these waterfalls dry up. So when it's driest, there's like hundreds, and then when it's wet and there's a lot of rain, there can be up to like 500 to 600 waterfalls.
Okay, so it started raining, so we took a little break to do a pull-up contest. So who's in the pull-up contest? Hey, who's gonna be in the pull-up contest? Jordan, you gonna be in the pull-up contest?
Oh yeah.
All right.
No, that's too.
Sheet?
You gotta do this one.
Hey, Sheet, are you in the pull-up contest?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
All right, you gonna be in the pull-up contest?
Yeah, I'm gonna be
Out of your
all of you with these string ass
No,
arms.
that's a no.
All right,
Thumbs up means no.
let's go. Jordan.
Ready? All right. How much battery you got in that? This might be a while.
Bro, it's cool. I got 4. All right, let's go. Let's see. 1. No, that's not a pull-up, bro. That's a chin-up. Come on now, bro. You're tripping.
You wasted his energy on the first two.
Hey, that's too bad.
You gotta add 2 to it.
Too bad, bro.
Yes, get it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Get up to your age, Jordan.
15. Hey!
You can act. How many do you think I can do?
Hey, bro, just do it, man. We'll find out.
Baby, you better win this.
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Come on.
Keep going.
Let's
Keep
go.
going. Keep going.
2, 3,
34.
All right, 34. Okay.
All right. Get it, baby. Get it. 1, 2, 3.
I'm just gonna do a jumping one. What?
Good
My
job.
turn.
You get it.
All right.
I don't.
Leg ups? I can do leg ups.
No, that's not the same thing as a chin up.
Well, you got a backpack on, so it's making it hard.
No. Mm-mm.
Hey, that's fine. We'll take Legos.
She's like, there you go, 3. I could easily double my number with that grip.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
30. 32. 33. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
4.
Hey, I'm gonna show love though. Hey, you go first, bro. So yesterday we actually hiked all the way out there, and we came down that mountain and reached the waterfall. And like we actually swam in the waterfall. It was freezing cold. It was so cold. We just had our lunch. Ate an island taco. What'd you have? Subway?
No. I had the chicken burrito. It was awesome.
Oh, you went to Subway.
Yeah, she went to Subway.
Okay. Jordan, what'd you have?
I had like some chicken 6-inch sandwich with my favorite sauce, which is Chipotle chocolate.
Shit, what you get?
And they got chocolate chip
Classic
cookie.
taco. How was that, boy?
Actually, classic burrito.
Was it good?
Delicious.
Delicious? Ah.
You notice that I ate it before I arrived back here.
I see.
Yeah, so food was amazing. I also had some shrimp station down there. So, and we had smoothies from there. So, we in all types of food out here.
Yeah, on the island. Someone's favorite rooster.
How do we know it's the same one?
He has a connection to all of them.
It's like the taco.
We just got this coconut from one of those palm trees. Well, I got it. So I'm trying to open it up. We don't have a machete. What do you think?
He climbed it himself. This dude's a monkey, man.
Hey, we're gonna see if we can break this boy open. Let's try it. It fell.
It is.
Damn. Excellent packaging. Got it open, y'all. Look at this fresh coconut. Time and everybody's fresh and clean. We got some steaks. Thanks to Chef Rashid right here, and we got some salad, Brussels sprouts.
Is that the one that's mine?
Yep.
Smaller than that one.
Just doing some shopping in overpriced Kauai. Just want to show you this sweatshirt.
I'll hold it up.
Hold up against it. Or against you. That's cute. Show me the back. Look at that sea turtle. I'm gonna go like this.
It'd be dope if you could play like a Drake piano.
Do you know how much that? I was just wondering how much that sweatshirt was.
We just made it to a waterfall. What's the name of this waterfall? How you feeling right now?
I feel good.
Like you are on the edge of a waterfall.
I know.
And there's a rainbow.
Oh,
There's a rainbow. You guys see the rainbow? It's dope. Hey, Jordan. Hey man, come over here, bro.
I stay a healthy distance from the edge.
What?
I live life on the edge, but not too much. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's deep, bro.
I don't want to end life on the edge.
Yo, that is deep. Hey, that's deep. That's deep, but still not cool. Hurry up. Hurry up, man. Come on. We don't got all day. Man, I've been down here for like the past 15 minutes, man. 15 minutes, man. I've been counting. You told me to keep time. You told me to keep time. You told me to keep time. I've been keeping time. It's been 5 minutes, real talk though.
It's a shot from us?
Yeah.
Like a
Yeah,
like a regular water.
This is so beautiful. Look at this.
Water?
Huh? Water. Check this out, y'all.
This is dope.
The obstacle just to get here. That's dope.
Woo!
To get back up to the time in 7 minutes because she has a flight to catch. And
All right.
yeah, no time to wait. Let's go. Well, yo, was lagging behind. Come on. Saba, don't you have a flight to catch?
I want to miss it though. I want to go in the waterfall.
Oh shit, you want to miss it? Yeah, let's go back down. Hey Jordan, I know you want her to miss her flight, bro. I know. Bro, I know you want her
This
to
is
miss
all
her
part of
flight.
my plan.
I know you want her to miss her. Look at them, late again. Waiting for him. She has a flight to catch. Why y'all taking so long? You especially, you got a flight. What happened? Okay.